Lost in the city, feeling so alone. Trying to find my way, but it's hard to call it home.